I think I'll walk there. There's mall. No, that's not the mall. That's another mall. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so I just got mango for 2,000, which is funny because when the cruise ships were here, they tried to charge me 10,000. Actually, I think he said 20,000, which is like unreal. So now that it's just a normal day. Ciao. See, me gusta. Now that it's just a normal day here, the prices have gone back to normal and I'm not getting gringa prices. I'm getting local prices. Gethsemane is also in the walled city, but I guess I just did one full circle. I started on the other side, I exited the walled city, I went to the mall, and now I'm entering the walled city again, but through Centro. Hi.
Wow, I love you.
Hi, I bought your bracelets.
Yeah.
I bought lots of them, I have them.
Excuse me, you know by no cigar? Or your grandfather?
No, my grandfather's dead.
Yeah?
It's okay.
You know by Colombia?
No, I'm not shopping today. I'm just exploring. I want to see the city. Where is Calle de Iglesia?
It's on the corner on the right to block.
Okay. Thank you.
What's your name?
Disha. Sí. Ay. No. No, gracias. No. Gracias.
For Jaina tomorrow.
Oh, I already went on the weekend.
You have the plane? You have the plane tomorrow?
No, I went on the weekend.
In the weekend?
Mm-hmm. Gracias. No, thank you. Well.
Go boat, the smaller go boat that shooting down the 50 caliber, and you got subs. And you don't know how many submarines. Right up there?
That's